Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase overall health with Quest Nutrition, complete guide step by step clearly. Increasing overall health with Quest Nutrition can be achieved through a structured approach. Begin by understanding your health goals. Identify whether your focus is on weight loss, muscle gain, or overall wellness. Next, explore the range of Quest products available. Quest bars, chips, and protein powders are popular options. Review the nutritional information of each product to meet your dietary needs. Incorporate Quest products into your daily meals and snacks. Start your day with a Quest protein bar for a nutritious breakfast option. Use Quest protein powder in smoothies for added nutrition. Consider substituting traditional snacks with Quest chips for healthier choices. Monitor your protein intake for effective muscle repair and growth. Maintain hydration by drinking plenty of water alongside your nutritional plan. Schedule regular workouts to complement your dietary changes. Include strength training and cardio for a balanced fitness routine. Keep track of your progress through journaling or apps. Adjust your intake of Quest products based on your results and feedback from your body. Seek guidance from a healthcare professional if needed. Remain consistent and patient as you implement these changes. By following this guide, you can enhance your overall health with Quest Nutrition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.